In a candid interview on Durban's Former FM, Police former Minister Bheki Cele admitted concerns for his personal safety following the recent loss of his state-provided security team. Reflecting on the new realities of life outside the government, Cele revealed that he now drives himself in an old car, which he referred to as Iskorokoro, a term for a worn-out vehicle. Cele, who once wielded considerable power in South Africa's law enforcement, shared that he feels particularly vulnerable given his track record of arresting high-profile gang leaders during his tenure. He said many of these individuals still face ongoing legal battles and said there are top guys I took down who were still attending their cases when I was police minister. I made a lot of enemies, and those people sometimes remind you about what you did to them while you were still a minister. Acknowledging his diminished security and perks, Cele noted that he is now a normal human being, confronting the risks that come with a past career focused on dismantling crime. He described his situation as a stark reminder that privileges ministers enjoy don't last indefinitely. Cele's departure from police follows the May 29 election in which the ruling ANC party suffered significant losses, ultimately leading to the formation of a unity government. Reflecting on the swift reclaiming of ministerial perks, he cautioned current government officials to be mindful of the impermanence of state-funded luxuries, including the motorcades and blue lights often associated with political power, and said, "Right now, I'm driving by myself in my own Skorokoro car. It's no longer the same." He said, illustrating the adjustment from public officer to a simpler, more vulnerable lifestyle. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.